Varalakshmi. I am here to explain about the database first experiment. The first question is create the above tables with primary key constraint. I created all the 5 tables. In customer table, I made customer ID as primary key. In order table, I made order ID as primary key. In order line table, I made order ID as primary key. In product table, I made product ID as primary key. In suppliers table, I made SID as primary key. Now I created all the tables. The second question is add foreign key reference to the customer ID attribute. Alter table name, add constraint foreign key customer ID reference customer ID. Table altered. The third one, modify the attribute product finish in the product table or product material. Alter table name, column product finish to the product material. Table altered. The fourth one, add an attribute called price in the order line table. Alter table name, add price number. The fifth one, add a check constraint to order quantity column and check the quantity is about 10. Alter table order line, add constraint C1 check order quantity greater than or equal to 10. Table altered. Add a not null constraint to the customer name attribute. Alter table customer modify customer name varchar 20 not null. Table altered. Rename order line to the order quantity. Rename order line to the order quantity. Name. Describe the structure of the customer and order table. Describe the customer. The table is created. Describe the order one. The table is created. Next one, insert the above values into the corresponding table. We inserted the values. First row is inserted. Now I inserted all the tables. Copy the customer table to a new table called customer 1. Create table customer as select from customer 1. Table created. Rename the new table as customer 1. Rename customer 1 to customer 2. Rename the new table as customer 1. Grant select privilege to user 1 and order table. Grant select and order 1 to the user 1. User or role user 1 does not exist. Try to insert values into order table from user 1 and state what happens. Insert into system order 1 values. Grant insert privilege on order table to the user 1. Next one, try to delete the values from order table from the user 1 and state what happens. Delete from system order 1 where order id equal to 1. User or role user 1 does not exist. Zero rows are deleted. Try to insert values into order table from user 1 and state what happens. Revoke all privileges from user 1 on order table. Revoke insert select on order 1 from user 1. Role user 1 does not exist. Remove all data from the customer 1 table. Truncate table customer 2. Table truncated. Drop the customer of the customer 1 table. Table drop. Thank you.